You probably aren't going to like what I'm about to say, but if my kid turns out gay, I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm not going to stop loving him. It's my kid, but I'm not going to kick him out or anything because that just seems wrong, but I'm not going to support him. I don't support anyone that's gay. I don't support anyone that's transgender. I don't care who you are. I don't care if you're my family. I don't care if you're my best friend. I don't care who you are. If you're gay, if you think you're transgender, if you're anything like that, that goes against my beliefs. Therefore, I don't care about you. Sorry, that's how it is. Just as a quick update, I would like to say, first of all, by the way, this video is not scripted, unlike my other ones. I've been liking to script them. Sometimes it's a little easier, sometimes it's a little harder to have things set up. But I feel like mostly it's a lot easier to make my videos unscripted because I don't have to sit there and watch script, make sure that my eyes don't look off and I look like a fucking retard. You get the point. But on to the main point of the video, I have my GED. Honestly, it doesn't feel that much different. I mean, it's nice having. Obviously, it's not like a college diploma or anything. It's literally just a high school diploma equivalent. It's just the same as a high school diploma. It's nothing special at all. I don't know, I mean, it's kind of nice. I like to think about it as, imagine still going to school. You know what that shit fucking does to you? School is literally one of the worst fucking things ever. And I'm not saying this because I can't handle it. I'm saying this because from the start of your youth, once people start around, preschool or kindergarten when they're like 5 or 6 usually, you are immediately put into a system that is trying to, I mean, it was already bad enough before, but now with Biden still being in office, and he's still gonna be until next year in November, hopefully, and hopefully we also get someone better because Biden is a fucking piece of shit, and to be honest, I don't care who I offend, and I don't care if anyone tries to use my words against me because it's not going to work, but I'm just going to be straightforward. I don't like Biden. I hope Trump can make a comeback and be elected next year. Some of the teachers are already asking for pronouns. I don't get it. I really don't get it. See, because here's the thing. Here's the thing that I don't like about school, and at some point when I have a kid, I don't know if I'm going to let him go to school or I'm just going to homeschool him. I know a lot of people say, "Oh, don't homeschool cuz then he or she's not going to have any like social skills." There's things, I don't know what they are cuz I haven't looked into it, but I know there are things that you can do to still get your kid to be social. Obviously, it's not like if you homeschool them, they're instantly going to be a weirdo. You literally mold and create your child. There's so many little things here and there that shape a person. And that is why there are good people out there. That's why there are bad people. That's why there's scammers. That's why there are serial killers. That's why there's cannibals. You get what I'm saying? Anyway, back to my main point. So I got my GED. Everyone else is still in school. What I don't like about it and why it doesn't make sense is because you know how if you try to bring up God in school or any type of religious thing, they say, "Oh no, we can't talk about that. Oh no, we don't talk about that here because not everyone aligns with that certain religion. Not everyone aligns with that mindset and things like that." Okay, then why are you allowing transgender and pronouns and gays and shit like that to flourish in school when you won't bring up God or any sort of religion? That doesn't make any sense because both of those two things have to do with a person's beliefs. They're extremely contradictory. And in a different video that I've made before, I've explained in that video. If you want to go fucking watch it, I'm not going to explain it again. I'll leave it in like a card at the top right of the screen. But yeah, school, I mean, I don't know. I really, honestly, if I have a kid, I don't know if I'm going to have him in school. I don't think it'd be the best idea if he or she, especially if it was a he. Honestly, you probably aren't going to like what I'm about to say, but if my kid turns out gay, I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm not going to stop loving him. It's my kid, but I'm not going to kick him out or anything because that just seems wrong, but I'm not going to support him. I don't support anyone that's gay. I don't support anyone that's transgender. I don't care who you are. I don't care if you're my family. I don't care if you're my best friend. I don't care who you are. If you're gay, if you think you're transgender, if you're anything like that, that goes against my beliefs. Therefore, I don't care about you. Sorry, that's how it is. I'm not going to, you know, just disrespect you. I'm not threatening you or anything. It's not like I'm going to hurt you in any way, maybe emotionally, because you guys are all sensitive. But basically, my point is, I'm not threatening anyone, not hurting anyone. If you're gay, okay, I don't care. Just don't. I don't care. It's not my problem. It doesn't need to be my problem. It doesn't need to be anyone's problem but yours. There's another thing that I wanted to talk about, and that was, you know, when you get told, oh, enjoy your years as a kid, enjoy your years where you have you're stress-free and everything. In my experience, I know I'm not 18 yet. I'm pretty close. I think it is one of the most annoying things ever because once you're 17, you're so close to being 18. Especially as that last year goes by before you're 18, you're so close, right? There's so much that you want to do, but you can't. For example, I'm trying to find a good high-paying job, something in sales. That's what I'm trying to do right now. I can't because I'm not 18. I can't access my PayPal money that I'm trying to get paid through from my music. I can't access that. There are so many little things that you can't do if you're not 18. My whole point about the job thing and being 18, it's the most annoying thing you'll ever get told right before you're 18. Personally, I feel like it's going to be a lot nicer. Although I'm going to have more responsibilities, I feel like I've earned it. And I feel like I also deserve it. Okay? When you're that age, you have responsibilities. You just have to take care of them. Okay? That's just how life works. I'm not going to be like, oh, I want to be 18. And then I'm going to become 18. And then I'm going to start bitching and complaining. Oh, I got to pay all these bills. I got to pay for all this shit. Okay, yeah, what did you expect? I expect those things already. I know what's going to happen. And I want to be able to work a good paying job before then so I can be prepared. And so really quick before I end this video, I just want you guys to understand that I'm not trying to act like I'm a fucking god and I know everything and I have everything. I don't. I do not at all one fucking bit. I wish I did, but I don't. I'm still very young and I'm still creating a path for my life. I just don't want to be the generic average kid that finishes high school, gets his diploma, then sets off for college and is there for years and gets some stupid, doesn't even get guaranteed a fucking job after that. No, I don't. I want to be different. I want to stand out. I'm sure that makes sense and you can understand that. Some of you can compare me to Sneeko. Some of you can compare me to Andrew Tate. I don't care. That's fine. You want to compare me to whoever you want, that's fine. I don't think I'm like them. I do enjoy watching them. I think that they do have good values and very good advice, and they have experience to kind of lean on as well. I'm just learning. That's what I'm doing. I'm learning and I'm living, and I'm sure the rest of you are out there doing the same thing as well, but I don't know. It's the weirdest thing ever. I feel like some people aren't that self-aware. All I want to do is help myself become successful so I can then in turn help other people and help you become successful if, of course, that's what you want. Otherwise, if you want, you can continue being a lazy piece of shit, doing whatever fuck you want with your life. I don't care. That's fine. Let me know if there's anything I can do for you guys in the comments. I'm trying. I'm trying very hard. That's why I'm not uploading much. So